The 1930s was a decade of contrasts. From the Great Depression to FDR and the New Deal, the Chicago World's Fair and the Berlin Olympics. The end of the decade would see the beginning of global economic upheaval. Thanks to 3M's sound fiscal policies, the company managed to thrive during the 30s and the Great Depression. Over the course of the decade, the company expanded sales, employment, and facilities, and paid dividends every year. Another key development during the 30s was Richard Drew's realization that there was no attractive way to seal cellophane. He decided to coat samples of cellophane with 3M adhesive. As a result, Scotch cellophane tape was born, and soon hundreds of practical uses were discovered. Just like today, 3M continually introduced a number of groundbreaking pieces of technology and equipment in the 1930s. This drying rack was introduced in 1935. It may seem rudimentary now, but in 1935, this was groundbreaking technology. Here are a number of 3M's pace-setting manufacturing technologies from the 1930s. A control panel and making unit, a die cutter, an abrading test glue bond, and a tensile and stretch test unit. In 1937, another milestone occurred. Vice President Richard P. Carleton expanded 3M's commitment to research and development by establishing a central research laboratory. This ultimately led to research breakthroughs, such as reflective materials used to improve highway signs and markings. By the end of the decade, 3M had 5 diverse and flourishing businesses: abrasives, masking tape, cellophane tape, roofing granules, and adhesives.